The Chief Judge of Oyo State, Justice Munta Abimbola, was at Agodi Prison Gate, Ibadan, in line with the provision of the Constitution, which empowers him to visit prisons in the state and grant pardon to inmates. 30 inmates were pardoned and released by the Chief Judge after their cases were presented and reviewed. 26 of the inmates were released on compassionate ground. 3 were granted bail to continue their cases in court. 1 regained freedom on legal advice, while the remaining 1, a minor, was released to a remand home.
We promise, because of the enormous number of cases in progress, to come back in the next 2 weeks.
A mother of twins who was among those granted pardon was allegedly defrauded of 15 million naira by one Friday who claimed to be a customs officer. The money was contributed by the accused and some of her friends, who later got her arrested for being the liaison between them and the swindler. Justice Munta Abimbola described her case as that of a failed joint business venture.
Níbi oṣù kejì nínú ọdún yìí tó ní trader mẹ́rin lòun nílẹ̀ tó ń fẹ́ tà fún mi báyìí o pé ká máa kó owó bọ̀ o bí mo ṣe pé gba ọ̀rẹ́ mi tún jọ nìyẹn bí gbogbo wa ṣe dáwọ́ ní owó tèmi fún mi 6 million láti jọ́nà mi bí Friday o custom ló pe ra ẹ̀ gbogbo owó táwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi 9 million tèmi 6 million gbogbo owó jẹ́ 15 million mo ṣe àgbà mi ní kankan gbọ́ Nàìjíríà mo ti wà mí báyìí nínú oṣù kejì mo wà bí on the 28th.
Another pathetic case was that of a young man who got drunk, wandered unknowingly into someone else's house, was charged to court for trespassing, and put in prison custody for being unable to meet his bail conditions.
Bad communication corrupts good manners. So I found out that people whom I called my friends, they are nothing but bad communication, and they are about to corrupt my own good lifestyle before. But now I thank God because I have seen my ground new day.
There was a pin drop silence at the sitting when a 46-year-old man, whose case was brought before the Chief Judge for review, confessed to having carnal knowledge of his friend's 6-year-old daughter. The Chief Judge, who condemned the act, told him to go and face the consequences. One of the justices at the event, Iyabo Yerima, admonished the freed inmates to make the best use of the opportunity by avoiding criminal activities capable of bringing them back to prison. Earlier, the controller of prisons, Oyo State Command, who commended the Chief Judge for his efforts to decongest prisons in the state, said Agodi prison, built in the pre-colonial era, was meant to accommodate 390 inmates, but now has 1,115 inmates. Oyetunji Oyekunle, BCOS News.